Hi, welcome to wealthspecs.com, empowering trading and investments. The first soft launch that we did had some issues related to software and hardware. So now we have got another opportunity to interact with you with a very unique fund which is called as an AQUA fund. If you are looking for a qualified personal finance professional to offer you a very unique fund, this is the right opportunity for you. Then number two, day in and day out, we deal with fund managers. We participate in major investor summits. We deal with equity analysts, and that's what we do on a full-time basis. Now we have got an opportunity to go in depth into a very unique fund and offer you the entire dynamics of AQUA fund. Okay, here comes AQUA fund for you.
70% of the Earth is covered in water. But did you know only 0.025% is freshwater accessible at the surface? Freshwater on our planet is likely to have been around since the time of the dinosaurs, and its amount has remained fairly static. However, the world's population has expanded exponentially. By 2030, demand for water is expected to exceed supply by 40%, and nearly half the human population could suffer severe water stress. Water, or as some would call it, blue gold, is a precious resource under tremendous strain. There is an increasing gap between its demand and supply, as well as rising concerns about water quality and the stability of water infrastructure due to increased urbanization and advanced living standards. Higher consumption patterns are part of this modern lifestyle, and the water footprint to produce some common goods may surprise you. Aging or poor infrastructure. In Asia alone, the estimated loss of treated water is 29 billion cubic meters annually. Greater incidence of drought and floods. Tightening regulations. These global trends are propelling long-term growth in water opportunities. $7.5 trillion is expected to be spent on water infrastructure globally, and $300 billion has been directed to address water pollution by China's Water 10 plan. The AQUA strategy aims to capture opportunities by investing in a diversity of water-related companies globally, across a deep and wide range of defensive and cyclical stocks that span geographies, sectors, and end markets. This fast-developing water sector grants us access to companies that offer stronger earnings growth than global equities. Thanks to technological advances, opportunities are expanding to include innovative solutions. The strategy benefits from the transition towards a more sustainable economy, while creating a positive environmental impact, as it is highly exposed to businesses whose revenue sources are aligned with the UN Sustainable Development Goals of providing clean water and sanitation. ESG values are incorporated throughout the investment process, making risk analysis more robust. Lastly, since 2008, the AQUA strategy has been managed by Impax Asset Management, a close partner of BNP PARIBAS Asset Management, who specializes in sustainable environmental investing. Invest across the rapidly growing water value chain.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
Thank you very much for staying back till the end. Since you have stayed back so far, here is an offer for you. If you stay back for part 2 of the same AQUA fund, where we deal with the numbers of the fund, we go in depth into the numbers. If you stay back till part 2 end, you get an opportunity to sit in a seminar which speaks about our high-end training. I mean, we have a high-end training program for trading. You get an opportunity to sit through the intro seminar for that. This is an offer if you sit through part 2 of AQUA Fund. Thank you.